Welcome to Classic Bike Drive, your trusted spot for honest motorcycle reviews and real-world breakdowns. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Honda CB100, a no-nonsense commuter that focuses on practicality, efficiency, and everyday usability. The 2026 Honda CB100 embraces a clean, classic design that prioritizes function over flash. With its round headlamp, straightforward bodywork, and minimalistic styling, the bike looks unfussy and purposeful. Its compact frame and upright stance make it easy to ride in city traffic and tight spaces, perfect for daily commuting. Under the tank sits a 100 cubic centimeter single-cylinder, air-cooled engine tuned for smooth performance and excellent fuel economy rather than high speeds. The engine delivers strong low-end torque, making stop-and-go commuting effortless. Power delivery is predictable and manageable, especially for newer riders or anyone who wants a stress-free ride. The gearbox is simple and user-friendly, with light clutch effort and crisp shifts that make daily riding easy and enjoyable. One of the CB100's strongest points is comfort. The upright riding posture, easy-to-reach handlebars, and cushioned seat make even longer city rides comfortable. Suspension is set up to absorb typical urban bumps, helping maintain a stable and relaxed ride over rough patches or uneven roads. Lightweight handling makes maneuvering through traffic or parking a breeze, and the bike's balanced geometry instills confidence for everyday use. The 2026 CB100 keeps things straightforward with essential features that make daily life easier. Clear, easy-to-read instrument cluster showing speed and fuel level LED lighting for improved visibility and efficiency. Fuel injection for smoother starts, better mileage, and reliability. Low-maintenance build quality that reduces ownership stress. These features make the CB100 a no-nonsense commuter that's dependable and cost-effective. Daily commuters looking for comfort and efficiency, new riders seeking an easy-to-handle motorcycle, budget-conscious owners who value low maintenance and reliability. The 2026 Honda CB100 may not be about thrilling performance, but it excels at being a dependable, efficient, and practical ride. If you want a motorcycle that simply gets the job done day after day with minimal fuss, the CB100 is a strong contender. Stay tuned with Classic Bike Drive for more honest reviews and motorcycle insights, because every ride deserves to be classic.